Have you ever imagined what it feels like when the person you trust the most is hiding the darkest secret from you? That's exactly what happened to Arhan. A simple text, a photo, and a laugh. Each one shattered his love and trust into pieces. But was this just betrayal, or was there a deeper story hidden beneath? What's the truth? Let's uncover the mystery together.
Hi, my name is Arhan. I'm 28 years old, and I've lived through some experiences that have shaped who I am today. Some of these experiences were beautiful, others not so much. But every part of my story has led me to where I am now, and I think it's important to share it with you, because I'm sure many of you have gone through similar struggles. I come from a family where love was always at the center. My parents have been together for over 30 years, and they showed me that love can conquer anything. Growing up, I believed that love was the answer to everything. But what happens when love betrays you? What happens when the person you trust the most shatters your heart? That's the story I want to tell you today. A story of love, betrayal, healing, and trust. The trust that was broken, and the difficult journey it took to rebuild it. So let me take you back to when everything started to change. I met Hannah at a friend's party when we were both 24. She had this incredible energy about her, and her laugh was contagious. The first time we spoke, I felt an instant connection. We spent hours talking, joking, and sharing stories about our lives. We bonded over our mutual love for adventure, travel, and exploring new places. It wasn't long before we became inseparable. Within a few months, we were a couple, and I truly believed that I'd found the one. The next few years were a blur of happiness. We traveled together, planned our future, and talked about marriage. I thought I knew her better than anyone, and I felt completely secure in the relationship. She was everything I wanted, and I was everything she needed. Or so I thought. Then, one evening, everything changed. I came home early from work expecting to spend a quiet night with Hannah. But when I walked into our apartment, something felt off. She wasn't home yet, and her phone was lying on the kitchen counter, unlocked. Now, I've never been the type of person to snoop, but in that moment, I couldn't shake the feeling that something wasn't right. I picked up her phone, and what I saw made my heart drop. On her phone were text messages that I never thought I would see, messages from someone I didn't recognize, messages that hinted at something far more than just friendship. It didn't make sense. I thought I knew Hannah, trusted her completely. But, in that moment, everything I believed in felt like it was crumbling. I tried to convince myself that I was overreacting, that there must be an explanation, but deep down I knew the truth. The person I loved, the one I trusted with my whole heart, had betrayed me, and I had no idea what to do next. For days I couldn't focus. My work suffered, my friends noticed I was distant, and I couldn't sleep. All I could think about was the messages on Hannah's phone. I tried confronting her, but she denied everything. She said it was nothing, just some harmless conversations. But the doubt was planted in my mind and I couldn't shake it. I began to question every moment we had spent together. Had I missed the signs? Was I blind to the truth all along? As the days went by, things got worse. Hannah started acting distant, avoiding conversations and coming home late. I could feel the gap growing between us, and it hurt more than anything I had ever felt. I tried to talk to her again, to understand what was happening, but every time I did, she shut me out. The more I tried to get answers, the further away she seemed, and that uncertainty, that feeling of being lost in a relationship that once felt so secure, all that had been put to rest. When I found some were missing, a week later I was sitting at home, scrolling through social media to pass the time. That's when I saw it. A photo. Hannah and the person from the text messages were standing together, laughing with their arms around each other. The photo was taken at a cafe we used to visit together, a place that held so many memories for us. I felt like the ground beneath me was slipping away. I didn't know how to process what I was seeing. I tried to reach out to her, but she wouldn't answer my calls. I decided to go to her apartment, hoping for some kind of explanation. When I got there, I saw her car parked outside, but the lights were off. I knocked on the door, but there was no answer. I could feel my chest tightening as I stood there, waiting. Then, I heard a voice, not Hannah's, but someone else's. I peeked through the window and saw Hannah, laughing with a man I didn't recognize. The sight of them together broke me in ways I can't describe. That was the moment I knew she had been hiding something, and now I was facing the truth I didn't want to believe. I don't think I've ever felt more lost and vulnerable in my life. I loved her, truly, deeply, and to see her with someone else after everything we had shared shattered me. I was angry, confused, and hurt. The person I'd trusted most had turned her back on me, and I couldn't understand why. What had I done wrong? Was I not enough? I remember sitting alone in my apartment, the tears falling, feeling completely hopeless. How could I trust again? How could I ever believe in love after everything that had just happened? I felt like a fool for letting my guard down, for giving so much of myself to someone who didn't care enough to be honest with me. I felt betrayed, and worse, I felt alone. As the days went by, it wasn't just me who felt the impact. My friends noticed the change in me. I wasn't the same person anymore. I wasn't as outgoing or happy, and I kept pulling away from everyone. My family could tell something was wrong, but I didn't have the strength to explain it to them. How could I tell my parents, who had shown me what true love was, that the person I thought I would marry had betrayed me? How could I tell them that love, the one thing I'd believed in, had let me down? Even my friends were worried about me. They tried to comfort me, but nothing seemed to help. The pain of betrayal was too deep, and I couldn't shake it. Every day felt like I was carrying a weight that was too heavy to bear. I wish I could tell you that everything got better, that time healed all wounds, but that's not how life works. Even now, months later, I still don't have all the answers. Hannah and I haven't spoken much since that day, and I've tried to move on, but trust is a hard thing to rebuild, and even harder to give away again. I don't know if I'll ever truly heal from the hurt she caused, or if I'll ever trust someone the way I trusted her. But I do know this: I'm learning to love myself again. I'm learning that my worth doesn't come from someone else's actions, and that healing is possible. It's a slow process, but I'm getting there. If you've ever gone through something like this, a betrayal, a heartbreak, I want you to know you're not alone. Healing takes time, and it's okay to feel lost sometimes. But don't give up on yourself. You deserve love, honesty, and trust. If you found this story relatable, please like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever faced betrayal in a relationship? How did you cope? Let's talk about it. You never know how sharing your story might help someone else.